The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee (Mpcc) today staged a protest march in Shillong against the proposed Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2026, alleging that the legislation could adversely affect organizations and institutions dependent on foreign contributions. The protest march began at Madan nearing Mpcc and culminated at Don Bosco Square, where the party held a brief public meeting at the Don Bosco Square. Addressing the gathering, Mpcc President Vincent H. Pala strongly opposed the proposed amendments, describing them as detrimental to organizations receiving foreign assistance, particularly mission institutions and voluntary organizations. Pala said several mission schools, hospitals, places of worship and other social welfare and development projects rely on foreign contributions for their activities. He warned that the proposed changes could create difficulties for organizations that do not possess or are unable to retain Fcra licenses. The Mpcc president also alleged that while several organizations were granted Fcra permissions during the previous Congress-led government, many licenses were subsequently cancelled under the BJP-led government. Maintaining that the agitation was not merely a political protest by the Congress, Pala said the party was raising the issue in the larger interest of people and institutions dependent on such assistance. He further asserted that the Congress would continue its opposition to the proposed amendment through street protests, legislative forums and parliament, and would also approach the courts if necessary.
Down! Down, down! Long live Congress! Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! We demand! We demand! Justice! We demand! Justice! Pagbabe! Nakalang jong party Congress! Mentang singile ya kene ka peace rally! Kataw ka lang! Pag-ipersaya ka na ka Fcra! Kamanyan ben yang hamtam kiritpat! Long live! Long live! Long live! We demand! We demand! Pagbabe sa sirpat! Idan hakane kita! Ban kerpat ngurit kepi! Pagpinyagan mentalang bagi hakane kita sipo! Abang nyadan kemiting kapalikat hakane kita!
Kene kapil datang iton ke himane kiba yo jingarap na kibor kiba nabar na Amerika na Germany lani nangno lani ladon ki school kiba jingi Arab lani ladon ki hospital kiba yo jingi Arab lani ladon ki NGO kiba yo jingi Arab ai kam ai jam banpun bhai ki school lani ki no ki jing ban Arab ki baduk ki konswet bat ki kiba yo bisa nabar jong keri India kini ever si uno bakwa kini bisa banwan nabar habdan kini ke license barabar kayarap ya kibru kebadan hakaleng jong ke India palat sanpo hajar tadi ke license kumenchwa ndai menta ni sanpo tadi ke license la chakan sel menta ke stang khatsau hajar tadi la kumno kini ki khatsau hajar tadi hajar laispa khalai kini tang hamia north east na kini kebadan arajar lespa khalai menta hangni Meghalaya stang nyopo kibadang terikam balai hadian bawang kini ke BJP kala pentik yaino kino kebadan Fcra kai kini abse kita pengihap protes kolong kumni ba ladang isna kawai ke jing mane ka ba chikror ngiyok Fcra ngiyok pandabar tang sekolah kin attach lene kin simi king mane jingi ladang yamba pembiang ki jerang kam lene ki school lani ki hospital lani kino ki jaka ba ai ting hikai ya ki beduk ki ba matla lani ki ba amna kane kade ka wei ni ki fan ki bayarap handrai lomba ka jing pas lani jomba ka jing pangkre jong ka BJP ya kane ka bil kini baro ki don ha ka jing ma ila introduce ya ka wei ka clause ka ba lada ngimla ban pembiang ki kot Islam lani ba lada ka cancel ka Fcra license jongi ki kinsim no ya kini ki property bangio lamba Fcra lani ladang imla ban renew lani ladang israndar lani imla ban pembiang kanoro kinsim kila set up kawai authority ke bansim kane ke jingma kabamot ladang renew ro ladakin accept ke renewal jengi kata mut ni hap property jing session kata iki badok bon ki school mentah ki school niam ki school Shillong ki school pepenyai di NGOs ki paper kiok bisa ke building ki kiok bisa handai ni isi utang kabai tuition learning isi utang kabai admission kata kadau di lapan play school ki kon jongi ladai ki pensengai kini ke Fcra tak kamut ke jing jongi kalong ba ni ki hapsiu kan rem kabai school ladai le hospital ki babon hospital ni pilai kiyo ki machine ki barem lomba ke Fcra handai menta ladai ki pensengai kini ke treatment hospital kan rem ki bon ki bayarap iki bematla ki barap ki bedon jinguna department keleng lada pensengai kini baru ki bon ki ban khang kata ni kum ke kongres wat Delhi ngadawan Delhi menin ngadon ki meeting ba ngiro ngala isu ke bib apa parlimen ngin persya hangni surok ngin persya parlimen ladon kam ngin persya akut na kamta ke rit pai kai tang ke kongres kapa riada kapa yarap kapa persang kat bala na kamta ke rit pai. Congress is the only party who stands with the people, be it in parliament, be it in the street, be it in the court, wherever it go, we'll try to help to protect the people. Ngimdon Fcra re, kini ke interest kamde tang jong ke parti ke ngimdon Fcra po Congress. Handai lada ki khang kini ki school, le khang hospital ki kon ki kti jongi, ki bahayang asam jongi, paradok prasnam jongi, ki parari jongi ke don ki jinge ke kata ngiwan hang ni mdai tang namta ka parti mdai namta ki interest jong ki paiba na ka namta interest jong ki badok na namta interest ka lawe don ki bang mana kini ka BJP ngai ki ong ba kini ka bill kanam pai ya kitu peladap kamde ban perkhat ya ka retrospective handai nado kini ki pol pementa sekepat handai ka lawe jong ki samla jongi menta sekepat kadang jor ki jong kampila ki beriu ki nang duk susu ladam don ki bayarap ingi dapat ladam don ki paranyam ladam don ki para Shillong ladam don ki NGOs ki paper nginang jenjar susu kadok kam dam kadang jor susu kata ngi don kam banyo jeng arab kumbak sayo hi manswa kajeng temu jong ko kongres namta ke parti handai namta ke ribat ke jait benriu namta ki kon ki kti namta ka lawai jong ki kun ki kti jongi wat so to bakla bagane ka dai ka kam jong kongres handai ka kam jonga jong pi ka kam jong barok ka jing persa jongi ka ne kalong ba namta ka jing bha ka lawai ki kun ki kti jongi pi yang ne ke sen mon ki sen yan tines ki sen meris wat ki bon ki school ba keleng penda pe ba ki badan sudah ke Fcra motor lada ke BJP kam renew ke license lane lada kini kimla penbiang ka ka hanu korkom ba kini ke school kin surface kita jinge baro kata bangi wan hang ni iwan kenang hang ni hajan udon posko na mar isau tu ba kene ke area hang ni ke babon ki institutions ki building te nak Fcra de tang bingyo ki building iyo ki jing hikai iyo ki hospital nang tang iya dai ki badok kamde tang pensai ki building rei lambak Fcra bon ki jing mentoy kaduna ka pai school kaduna ka pai hospital kaduna nodong hadong kade lambak ki jing don jong ke Fcra pat kor kompanya jing di Fcra ni ong ya ka sarkar kino ki babakla penstom ki babakla balen penstom ya baro kino ki ba misuse lene ki ba bam ngim percaya ke transparency lene ke accountability ngikman dadon ke transparency ngikman dadon ke accountability ndai de ban penstom ki breu ke bade ban penstom amdai ban penstom ya baro kata ke semua ke jongi kata ka daw neliang jongi kum ke kongres ngiyang ngakarpat ya ki perlok ki badan keleng sobha bo ha ke jing doai kenang ba kane ke jing semua jongi kan long ke bajap